Right after the G20 meeting, the government presumably hard at work trying to figure out what it can do to mitigate the impact of the global crisis. Today, a high-level meeting held by the Prime Minister to work out some specific measures which could begin to roll out fairly soon. Shweta Rajpal Kohli spoke to Kamal Nath after the meeting.
So, sir, overall, can we see that the RBI is stepping in now and taking more measures in terms of the monetary policy, perhaps reduction of reverse repo rates and repo rates?
Well, this has to be calibrated, and the Reserve Bank is certainly going to be proactive on this.
So exports continues to be a big issue, and that's an area that comes under your ministry. We've seen the figures showing that exports have actually declined by 15% in 1 month alone. Can we expect some relief package for exporters as well?
Yes, we are working on many issues on this, and we hope that we will be able to provide some kind of support. Obviously, this cannot be a swap. It has to be providing them a level playing field. At the same time, we have to ensure that cheap imports don't come in.
And what would you do? Would you look at increasing tariffs for that?
We will not hesitate to increase duties when cheap imports come in. We have adequate water in the WTO, our bound WTO rates. And wherever there are cheap imports coming in which cause injury to domestic industry, we will increase tariffs.
Right, so also layoffs continues to be a big issue. In fact, today Citibank in the US also saying that they're laying off as many as 50,000 people. How is the top economic policy makers of the country ensuring that layoffs and job cuts, that wave does not hit India?
Well, we are trying to ensure that this economic gloom in the United States does not percolate into India. Now, what's happening in the United States, we cannot help. What's happening in Europe, we cannot help. We are not the cause of the problem. And we are hoping that Indian industry will have resilience. There will be some sectors which will feel some jolts, but largely we are hopeful that there will not be any such layoffs.
So just to sum up, so what we are saying really is that we can expect a number of fiscal and monetary policy steps in the next couple of days or weeks to ensure that we can cushion the blow.
Certainly, both government and the Reserve Bank are going to be very proactive on this.